स्टार्ट.
नमस्कार. आयज जुनाची 1 तारीख. इनफ इज इनफ मुवमेंटान थारायलेलें 6 म्हयने आदीं ती आमी कसिनोज पळय मांडवी नदयेन आहा ते भायर काडूंक आमी फाटीं सरचीं ना आनी जाता तितलें करतलीं. आमी कोर्टान गेल्या, आमी सरकाराक ऑलरेडी सांगलां एंड आयज आमी गव्हर्नराक लेटर बरयलां कित्याक एज द governor of Goa, he is the guardian of the constitution and he has to ensure that the constitution is being followed and the law is being followed. So we have reached his office today. We have written 2 letters. One is a cover letter and one is a detailed letter which details the history and details how successive governments including this government is allowing the casinos to be illegally in the Mandovi, which is a river, while they are supposed to be offshore. सो आयज आमचो गव्हर्नराक आमी डिटेल हें नोट बरयलां आनी वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड हिम दॅट ही शूड लॉन्च अ इंडिपेंडंट इन्क्वायरी इंटू हाव अ क्विड प्रो को हॅज बीन allowed to happen with regards to keeping the rivers in the Mandovi. आनी आमी ताका मागलां की हें इन्क्वायरी करून हेजेर तेणें दखल घेवचें आनी हे कसिनोज मांडोवींतले काडूंक लायचे म्हणून. देव बरें करूं.